Automatic dried spices, bottle filling, capping, labeling, machine line. Automatic granule rotary type filling machine, adopting the latest generation of mechanical design. During the filling process, the can mouth and the filling hopper are closely attached to prevent the leakage of materials. Four-wheel clamping, twisting, capping machine. Four wheels capping running. The capping speed quick. Adjustable operating parameters. Fault prompts, easy to handle. Aluminum foil induction sealing machine is suitable for aluminum foil seals various bottles. Automatic round bottle labeling machine, suitable for covers with high hardness. Automation, saving labor costs and improving production efficiency. Steerable control, accurate positioning, more stable and safe operation. This machine is suitable for all kinds of round or cylinder containers.